Okay. Alright. Nasa bahay ka po nyo?
Did you get confused again with my bahay?
Okay. Sige. So,
This is our new bahay.
ay,
Becoming so new now.
okay. Sige. Alright. So, Maya,
Tapos this too.
you're early for today, ha? Okay. So, Maya, for today po, ang gagawin po natin, di ba dapat po meron, ano, okay, are you ready na po? Okay, so if you're ready, sige, let's continue na. Yesterday, your mom told me to have, oh mama, gutom ka na ba? Okay, di ba sabi ni teacher, kumain muna bago mag-start ng class. Okay, sige, mamaya na po, pwede. Okay, salamat. After ng class na lang, huwag ka mag-alala. It's just short lang. 30 minutes, really, really fast. Okay? Yan, sige. So, mag-continue na tayo, Amaya. Yesterday po, gagawin po natin ay magte-tell ka ng story. Mag-storytelling tayo. You
Did
choose.
my mom send you my video?
Hindi. Meron po ba? Hindi ata nakita ni teacher. Pero sige, teacher, ipatingnan ko. Pero you choose Rapunzel, tama?
Yeah, my mom
Have
just
you
like
watched it already?
Yes.
Okay, so do you know the story all about?
But it's a storytelling. It's just all fake.
All fake? What do you mean all fake?
No, I'm telling the fake story. Yung parang the bad. Once upon a time, a bad witch like that. They're just
Okay, okay,
sorry.
so it can be real. Okay, so all right, sige. So, but
Right?
have you watched the story of Rapunzel? Okay, so,
I already watched so many.
hmm?
I already watched so many.
So many. Sige. So, can you tell teacher or what happened in that story again? What? Who is Rapunzel? Oh, you can tell who is Rapunzel first.
Pretend Rapunzel.
Huh? Who is Rapunzel in the story? Can you describe her?
Once upon a time,
Once upon a time.
there was a very bad. Who's that?
Mm-hmm. Who? Okay, sorry. Because maybe you can hear some noise. Okay, wait lang. I will try to fix it. Ayun, hindi pala nakasalpa. So, okay, it's okay now?
Yeah.
Ayun. Okay, sorry. I thought it's already okay. Okay, so let's continue. Once upon a time.
There was a very bad witch named the Mother Gothel.
Then.
And there was a lonely orphan named Rapunzel. Rapunzel had a very long hair and they lived in a tall tower with no staircase. And so Rapunzel cannot escape. Whenever Mother Gothel comes back to the tall tower, she shouted, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Then Rapunzel let down her hair. But the very next day, there was this prince running because he stole a royal crown. Then, then there was this prince named Eugene. Prince Eugene was wait. Prince Eugene saw the bad witch leaving, but when the witch came back, his Mother Gothel said, Rapunzel, let down hair. Then Rapunzel let down its hair. Then the very next day, Mother Gothel went to go outside again. Then the prince came back to the really tall tower. Then Prince Eugene said, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Then Rapunzel didn't let down her hair because Mother Gothel said there is one rule. When someone says let down your hair, but if it's a different voice,
Mhm.
do not let down your hair because if it's a boys, they have cooties.
Ah, yeah. Okay, so very good. Is that all? What happened in Rapunzel? It is
Not yet,
story eyes.
not
Okay,
yet.
sorry. Okay, then after
And
that,
then after that, the The Prince Eugene
mhm,
decided to climb the tall tower.
mhm,
Then then Rapunzel noticed him. Then he got really scared that he would jump off. But Rapunzel said, they want to be friends. Then Prince Eugene realized that they just want to be friends. So he said yes. The very next day, Mother Gothel went to go outside again.
okay. Just make it slow, Amaya, huh? It's a
Outside
storytelling with feelings,
a
okay?
storytell.
Ah,
It's a
yes.
story.
Yes, you're going to story tell to your, or you're going to tell a story in front of the class, right? So when
And
is
then
it?
we're gonna recite at November 27th.
Okay, November 27. So just feel the story, okay? Don't just saying that this is what happened, okay? Make it slow, okay? So you are in the part of that Rapunzel and Eugene will become
Okay, okay.
friends now. Okay,
Okay.
continue.
Then they become fast friends, and the very next day, the witch came back early.
Mhm.
Then Mother Gothel saw Prince Eugene and Rapunzel holding
Mhm.
hands.
Mhm.
And then he got very mad and turned to a dragon. Then the prince drawed out a sword but defeated the mother god but defeated Mother Gothel.
Mhm.
So they lived happily ever.
Okay,
That
that's
was too
okay.
shy.
And so that's
That was
okay.
too
So
shy.
yes, there are some parts that you skip already, but it's okay. Is it necessary at school that you need to tell all what happened in the story, or just you can just do it on your own?
We can do it on our own. No, no
Ah, okay.
coaching
So it's like
also.
you're going to
It's from
invent.
English.
Okay, so okay, I got it now. So in the real story, there is happens that Rapunzel cut her hair. Remember? Do you
Oh
know
yeah.
that? Ah, okay. So that's okay, but you did good with that one. So just remember, Amaya, if you're telling a story in front of the class, you need to look at your classmates, okay? Don't look like this, like that, okay? So
I
look
was too
at
shy kasi.
them. Okay, yes, I know you're too shy, but if that is a storytelling, you should tell. It's like you need to have connection. You need to look at their eyes also. Okay, so that's why.
To
Oh,
check if they're not listening.
mm-hmm. Okay, so you just never. So just focus with your for your classmate that you think that they looking at you or they listen to you.
I
Okay.
was looking, the
Yes.
reason the reason I was looking at the window because I was too shy.
No, so no, I know you can do that one. And Amaya, if you're trying to example, you're talking already in front, right? So you can also have feelings, okay? One day, it's like that,
Huh?
okay? Yes, it's just you're telling your stories,
It,
how they can imagine what's happened again. So they will be confused. They cannot really understand what is the story all about. So you need to have feelings, okay? So if you're going to tell a story in front of the class, okay?
Like this. Like this.
Uh-huh.
But Mother
Yeah.
Gothel.
Okay. But you can do that one. Like there's something happens, right?
We got, wait, like this. Mother Gothel got early. Like that.
Early, is this okay? Early, but example, mother got angry. Okay, so that's one. Okay, if it's angry, are you going to be? Are you going to smile? No, right? Angry. So it should be your face should be like this. You should have facial expression too. Okay, is that your performance task or is that is exam already?
I think performance test on
Okay,
November
performance task.
27. We're
Okay,
gonna
27. So I think that will be next week, Wednesday. So on Monday and Tuesday, we will have it again, okay? So we will practice.
You didn't
Mm-hmm.
tell me what day is it and what date is it.
Okay. I forgot to ask you. Okay, I will ask you this time. Okay, sorry, Amaya. Thank you for reminding teacher. All right. So what days today, Amaya?
Wednesday.
Mm-hmm. You
Is
know,
Wednesday.
today is Wednesday. What time is it? Look at your watch or
The
clock.
time is 2 2:13 p.m.
Okay, 2:13 p.m. Okay, good to hear. Okay, what is the date today?
November. The
Today?
date today.
Mm-hmm.
The date today
Mm-hmm.
is November 20, 2024.
November, okay, November 20, 2024. Okay, so good to hear. Okay, so maybe around 5 minutes or 10 minutes before we end the lesson, I will ask you again to repeat your story, okay? And as a preparation of for your exam, so we already had the Filipino last time. So continue natin yung
Did you
Filipino. Yes,
Did you
po?
ask Did you ask your other student to enter at 3 o'clock?
Yeah. Okay. He will enter exactly 2:30, not 3 o'clock. Okay, 2:30 siya. Okay, so Amaya, so thank you for that one. So only my reminders ha, pag you're telling a story, it should have facial expression. Ano pa ba? How you say the words.
Or
Okay.
like feelings?
So later,
Feelings and
we will have
action.
it again later, okay?
Like feelings and action.
Yes, okay. If it's you can do it. If you're not shy in front of the school in the class, you can do it with action if you want to. Okay. All right, sige. So
Ano ba?
continue natin kahapon. Kahapon kasi hindi mo masyadong nakukuha yung aspeto ng pandiwa. What is a pandiwa again?
Action word.
Action words. Okay, magbigay nga ng pandiwa. Amaya.
Kumakain, tumatakbo. What's the
Tama.
Tagalog of walking?
Ha?
What's the Tagalog of walking? Tagalog.
Walking, naglalakad. Naglalakad. Ako, ano pa po? Sige, tingnan natin. Di ba binigyan kita ng reminder
Wait.
kahapon?
Kumakanta,
Mhm.
kumakain.
Mhm. Yun, di ba? Okay, eto, magbibigay si teacher ng mga words. Okay? Alright, so itatype, don't write anything po. Makinig lang kay teacher. Okay, yung first word po, eto. Yan, anong word po yan?
Sulat.
Sulat. Ano po ang sulat sa English?
Writing.
Ay, yan na naman writing. Only write. Amaya. Write lang. It's parang yan ay root word or salitang ugat. Okay? Sulat. Write. If you're done, the action word is done already. Di ba yung clue ni teacher? What letter is the first letter again?
Nag.
Nag.
Nagsulat.
Ay, again,
Nagsulat.
nagsulat lang. Okay, so nagsulat. Done na yan. Halagay ni teacher yung done. O para hindi ka malito. Paano if you're doing it right now? Happening. It's happening.
Magsusulat.
Sorry?
Magsusulat.
Magsusulat daw. Magsusulat. You will yan. You will write later. My question is,
Nagsusulat.
nagsusulat is the correct one. Okay. Nagsusulat, happening. Okay? Yes? O,
Yes.
nakukuha na? O, medyo okay,
Yes.
okay na. Next, paano naman? Ito yung kahapon. 'Di ba, Amaya? Sabi ni teacher kahapon po, pag letter T, if the word starts with letter T, mostly anong ginagamit natin? If the word starts with letter T, nag ba? Ano? Ano yung word, root, prefix na gagamitin natin? Mhm. Di ba sabi ni teacher kahapon, nakinig ba si Amaya kahapon? Di ba? Yung gagamitin natin. May idea ka na. Pala, yung gagamitin pag start with letter.
Tumatawa.
Okay, takbo yung gagamitin natin na tawag. Takbo. Ano ang takbo ulit? Run. Okay? Paano if you're done? You run yesterday.
Is it okay if I say tumatawa?
Tumatawa?
Yeah.
In this word that we're going to do it? The word is takbo, Amaya. Run. Can you see it po ba? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sorry. Okay. Takbo is run. That is the one that we're going to do today. Okay? Paano yan? Paano if it's done? Put where? Sa tabi ng first letter. T is the first letter, U-M, and akbo.
Takbo.
Yon, nakuha na. It's done yan, ha? Paano if you're running? Copy the 4 letters. What's the 4 letters? Tapos, the root word, takbo. Anong word na yan?
Tumatakbo.
Correct, tumatakbo. Paano if you will do it later? Copy the first 2 letters. T-A, then
Tumatakbo.
tumatakbo is happening right now. Amaya, tingin ka sa screen. You will do it later.
Tumatakbo.
Listen to the clue. T-A, copy the first 2 letters, and the root word. Ano yung root word natin kanina? Takbo. So, that is will happen na. Ano yung will happen, Amaya?
Bo.
Tatakbo. Ulitin natin. Pag done, tumakbo. Happening, tumatakbo. Will happen, tatakbo. Okay? Nakuha? Pag nag naman, nagsulat, nagsusulat, magsusulat. Paano pagkain? Ang gagawin natin, pagkain. Paano if it's done? Eat. Ano yon? Pag done already. Ano yung clue word pag yung ginamit? Put it in the
Tumatakbo.
Tumatakbo. Nasaan na tayo? Kain na tayo, Amaya. Kain, eat. Tama?
see the writings.
Hindi mo ba nakikita?
No.
Oh, wait lang. I will use na yung new one. Okay, wait lang ha. Okay, eto na lang. Use ko yung yung old natin. Okay. Kain na tayo, Amaya. Kain. T at letter K, Amaya. You can
Where's
use
that M? That's kain.
Okay. Diba? Okay. So, ngayon, Amaya, listen kasi, if the word starts with letter K or letter T, you can use Okay? Nagpag, nagmag. Okay? It should be
Nagmag.
Kasi walang nagkain. There's no word nagkain. Okay? Pwede naman, but mostly ginagamit is Okay? Kain tayo. Word kain. Anong gagamitin? Where do we put after K? So, K, U, M, then the word in. So what's the word na?
Kumakain.
Look at carefully.
Kumain.
Kumain. What is that? Done, will do it, or happening? Ha? Louder po.
Done.
Done. Okay, so done, tama din. Okay, next is okay, kumain. Ano naman yung susunod? Ay, paano if it's happening right now? You're eating po. You're eating. Tapos na tayo sa done. Ano yung, ha? You're eating. You're eating, Amaya.
Kain.
Kumain is done.
Sabi mo kanina.
Mhm.
In.
Correct. Ayan na. Paano? You will eat. Copy 2 letters first.
Okay.
Mhm. Ano? Mhm. Okay, ano? Ayan, okay na. Sige, lagay nga ni teacher. Don't write po. Ayan. Ano yan? Anong word yan? Di ba kain is the root word? Kain. Copy 2 letters. Ano yung
Wait,
2 letters
is it
yan? K,
is it
A.
kumakain?
What is kumakain? What is kumakain? Sige nga. Baka etong way na to, it's easy for you. How do you
Kakain.
translate this one?
Kakain.
Okay.
What is the name like?
Sheila. Okay. Translate it in Tagalog, Amaya.
Sheila.
If it's a name, si Sheila.
Si Sheila ay kumakain ng pizza.
Okay. Kumakain.
Pizza.
Okay. Okay, tama. Paano naman?
Wait,
Ito.
wait. No, not that. No, remove the kumakain.
So, what do we put?
Oh.
What is it?
Kumain.
Kumain. Kumain is like this, Amaya. Sheila ate pizza yesterday. So, means si
Yan.
Sheila ay kumain ng pizza kahapon. So, I use
Again.
kumain. Another one. I'll make another one. This one. Okay.
Wait. I think I know. I'm just.
Wait a moment.
O, A, I, O.
Okay. This one. Joshua will eat noodles later.
Si Joshua, wait.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, please don't finish.
Ano na? Amaya. What is it? Hello, hello, hello. How do you do? Nasaan na? Wala na tayong time for storytelling na naman. Sige, bukas ulit tayo mag-storytelling then continue ulit natin. Ano na? Oh, it's time na naman. Nagta-type ka pa rin. Just
Wait.
say it na lang para mabilis.
Wait, I'm done.
Okay, ano yan? Hindi ko makita. Wala eh, hindi makita ni teacher. Nasaan dyan?
Si Joshua.
Ha? Nasaan?
Sabihin mo na ang answer mo.
Oo, sabihin mo na lang para mas mabilis. Ako na lang magta-type. Mamaya? Ay, matagal yan. Mamaya meron na yung isang student ko. Magto 2:30 na. Ano
Done.
po? Done?
Joshua, I
Si? Lakasan?
Si Joshua ay kumakain.
Kumakain na naman. I said will eat. Kakain. Amaya. Pag sinabi mo kasing kumakain, Joshua is eating noodles. Ayun. Eating siya. Kumakain siya. But, if you will say, Joshua will eat, so it's not done yet, it will happen later, si Joshua ay kakain mamaya. Nakukuha ba? I think we need to focus with this one. Okay? Magpo-focus nga mostly tayo dito until makuha mo siya. Okay, Amaya? So, alright. So, thank you, Amaya. It's already time na naman. So, see you again tomorrow, okay? Don't forget the storytelling ulit tomorrow, then another activity na naman. Okay? Goodbye po. Salamat.